What's up, guys? I'm Danny DeVries with Superchips. Right now I want to show you a really cool system that you can do with your Trail Dash TD2 here. And this is a TD2 set up with the EAS system, which allows you to control any of your external accessories right here on these switches. So instead of installing a full mount and drilling holes, I've got light bars on this Jeep right here, and all I have to do is I just touch this button right here and I can activate both my light bars, the 50-inch and my two side bars. So if you're going to be putting any type of accessories on your Jeeps, any type of light bars, anything like that, instead of drilling and rewiring and all that stuff, the EAS system pairs up perfectly with this TD2 for all your Jeep accessories. To find out which TD2 and which accessories are right for you and your Jeep, go to superchips.com.